Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy Cray Ahoy. Sorry that I haven't uploaded in a week and a few days. I've just been doing stuff and I never really thought of uploading a video. I had a few ideas of content, but they weren't very good, so I just never made it. And I was even questioning about making this video, but it's the only idea I had, so I guess I'm just gonna make it. So you guys may have heard of the explosive bow in Skyblock, and basically what this bow does is it explodes on shot. So if I do this, it should explode. There we go. So as you can see, it should explode most hits, and it just makes an explosion. It does do a little bit of damage. You can also deal like a little bit more damage if you use sword swap. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. As you can see, I'm getting really low damage. I can try on this. Seriously, do you have to actually block my hit? Okay, let's try this again. I think that's 2,000 damage. There we go. That was quite a lot. I mean, it slowly kills it, but you guys get the idea. And actually, with potions, if you sword swap to something like an Aspect of the Dragons, with potions, then you can literally one-hit a Zealot. You may see people going around with explosive bows, just one-tapping Zealots. Now, they would have, like, really maxed, explosive bows with like hot potato books and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But guys, if I told you there's another way to use any bow and make it explode on hit, you guys would probably think I'm crazy, because there's probably not. But there is. And this is actually such a cheap recipe. You could probably make it like as a starter thing in Skyblock, and it doesn't even sell for that much. On AH, they sell from 8 to 40 coins, so you could either buy them on there, but there's only a few up, so I think you might as well just craft them with your, just normally. Now, I've talked enough, I really should just show you what the item is. So, the item is actually this. So, this right here in my hand, this is just a skeleton hat. It's just a skeleton hat. But here it says, your arrows have a 20% chance to explode on impact. Now, when I wear this, I mean, I look pretty creepy, and I'm a skeleton now, but if I use my Runon's bow, and I shoot it for a few hours, and there you go, it exploded, because that's what this does. So basically, if I take it off, as you can see, none of them are going to explode. If I put it on, it explodes. But this would be way too OP if you didn't have to buy an explosive bow. Because guys, if you look on the AH for explosive bows, as you can see, someone trying to be sold for a mil. I don't think this is going to get any bids on, but this one here is going for 920,000. I don't think that's even hot potato booked, and it's still going for a lot. So this is definitely a lot cheaper than getting an explosive bow. But of course, Hypixel isn't going to make an item that replaces the explosive bow when you wear it. So basically, what this part that I didn't read on it says, dealing 55 base damage, magic damage to enemies within 8 blocks. So basically, that means if I use my Runon's bow and get an explosion, nope, okay, that was quite a bad example because I did use my sword, but let's keep doing this. There we go. As you can see, it did 55 damage. Even if I try to sword swap, it still does 55 damage. Okay, guys, you can calm down. You don't all need to come at me now. Okay, so that is pretty much it. The skeleton hat, which I didn't actually show you how you craft this thing. Here it is. It's pretty simple, just 8 bones in a circle, and it makes the skeleton hat. I mean, it's an okay item if you want to, like, explode with any bow, because that's kind of cool. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I don't know if anybody actually knew that this was a thing, but yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next video. Goodbye.